The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles is a classic self-help book that focuses on the principles of achieving wealth and success through a particular mindset and set of actions. Here are some of the key lessons from the book along with explained examples. 1. The power of thought. Wattles emphasizes the idea that getting rich begins with your thoughts. Your thoughts are like seeds that can manifest into reality. Wattles mentions that if you constantly think about poverty and lack, you will attract more of the same into your life. On the other hand, if you think positively and believe in your ability to get rich, you'll attract wealth. 2. The science of getting rich. Wattles suggests that getting rich is not a matter of luck or chance but a science that can be studied and applied systematically. He compares getting rich to the process of baking bread. Just as following a specific recipe and steps can yield a loaf of bread, following the principles outlined in the book can lead to wealth. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. The Law of Attraction. Wattles discusses the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. If you focus on abundance and wealth, you will attract more of it. Wattles explains that if you consistently think about and desire wealth, you will naturally take actions that lead you toward wealth. Conversely, if you dwell on poverty, you will remain in a state of lack. 4. Gratitude and visualization. The book emphasizes the importance of gratitude and visualization in the process of getting rich. By expressing gratitude for what you have and vividly visualizing your goals, you can attract them into your life. Wattles suggests that you should be grateful for your current circumstances and visualize your ideal future. For instance, if you want to own a successful business, visualize yourself running that business with enthusiasm and success. 5. Taking action. While thoughts and visualization are important, taking purposeful action is equally crucial to getting rich. Wattles points out that simply thinking about wealth without taking any action will not lead to success. He encourages readers to take consistent and inspired action towards their goals. 6. Overcoming competition. Wattles argues that there is an abundance of wealth in the world, and competition is unnecessary. Instead of competing, focus on creating value. He suggests that if you have a unique idea or product, you won't need to compete directly with others. Instead, you'll attract customers and opportunities because of the value you offer. 7. The right to be rich. The book asserts that everyone has the right to be rich and that there is no virtue in poverty. It's a matter of aligning with the principles of wealth creation. Wattles argues that poverty is not a noble state, and by pursuing wealth, you can also help others and make a positive impact on the world. 8. Avoiding negative influences. To succeed in getting rich, it's crucial to avoid negative influences, both external and internal, that can undermine your efforts. Wattles advises against associating with people who have a negative mindset or who constantly talk about scarcity and failure. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help you stay on track. These are the key lessons from The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles, along with examples from the book. The central idea is that your thoughts, actions, and mindset play a significant role in achieving wealth and success. By understanding and applying these principles, you can work towards realizing your financial goals. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.